Hi everybody, welcome to DC Portrait Lab. Today we're drawing Taylor Swift's lips in pencil. I started the whole of the picture actually with a 2H, worked up to HB, and then at the very end on the lips I've used 2B and an 8B. So when I'm drawing lips, I'm always very careful about measuring where the ends of the lips, so you've got a horizontal line going right in the centre of the lips across. I always measure very carefully where each end ends on the face and how long it is. I usually use part of the eye on either eye and they won't be the same. I found a really good way to get the lips exactly the right length across horizontally and in the right place on the face, and it's to do with the guidance lines that I put in at the very beginning. I pick a spot really that's easy to find, maybe the corner of the eye or where the lips end, where that ends on the eye, and use that as the measuring tool. The lips, they never have a hard line around them. Although my line looks hard now, I'll be softening that up quite a bit. Another important point is really to remember the whole area around the mouth is really important for giving that mouth a place to live really. It needs to show why that mouth is that shape, and it all comes from that area all the way around the mouth, under the nose, to the top of the lip, and then underneath the lip you've got a bit of shadow there that shows where the chin goes in. Just things like that, really important. Otherwise the lips just look like they're just painted on really, like a doll, like a doll's lips. When it comes to shading the lips, the top lip is usually darker because it's coming in, and the centre of the bottom lip is always lighter because it sticks out, on most people anyway, so it's catching the light. Anything that comes forward is going to be lighter, anything that's receding will be darker. The top lips, they always have that bit of shadow, they go inside the mouth, just above the teeth. Even if the mouth is open, you'll see that shadow. See, I try and show that the bottom lip is round, the lines of the lips. They're kind of following the curve of her bottom lip. As you can see, I've just shaded over the teeth. I had them too white for the whole of the portrait, and at the end I just shaded them over because they were looking a bit unnatural, unnaturally white. Very, very glamorous, but not quite right.